Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ellis Top 2. Messed that up. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Top 255, man. Tuning in for another one. As you can see, we under the hood and we got a brake bleeder. What we getting into? Roll them. Let's go. So basically what we doing here today is look at this brake fluid. That brake fluid is nasty. If you know what it look like when it come from the factory, then you know it don't look nothing like this. This is some nasty stuff. So it can't be possibly performing to its best potential. So what we finna do, we're going to pretty much take everything out, and then we're going to put new brake fluid in so that we can stop the best that we can on the goddamn 24s. They're not 6s, they're not 8s, but we still need to stop. Let's get it. Alright, so what we did, pretty much just new fluid through the system. You can see there, y'all was on the start in the corner, farthest away. Boom, I went from this side, that side, then that side, this front, and then the one that's closest to the master cylinder. Yeah. That pretty much does it. Yeah, I got new fluid all through there. It pretty much took up the whole bottle, plus a little bit I had laying around. If I can show you here, looks a whole lot better. That's new brake fluid. That shit look like it'll stop. That old fluid that was in there, probably part of the problem. Not that I was having a big problem, it was stopping. Probably just not as well as I would have liked it to. So this is the old fluid that I drained out of there. And as you can tell, man, that is filthy. So another thing out the bucket list, another new fluid added to the system. Power steering was new, because new pump, new system there, new coolant, new oil. The only thing that we haven't done fluid wise on this car is probably ball. No, I wouldn't even say that. I probably would say the differential. It wouldn't hurt. Crack that bad boy open. I'm pretty sure that fluid in there is just as old as that damn brake fluid, if not older. So, I'm gonna look into doing that in the upcoming weeks, and then go from there. So now it's time to make sure that we did it right, and that it's not going to fall into, or make sure that it's going to break. In a good way, not a bad way. Alright, so clean that in the lab. Washed up the Chevy. Washed up the Chevy. Got looking good. Bling blinging. We washed up the C10 for the first time. Got a bling blinging. But there's a little issue that we got here. Transmission oil leaking. We think we narrowed it down to this one piece. That's for the car. Pretty much the hose are used in there. pretty sure this is going to be our culprit. So to get this replaced, I'm gonna get up under the truck, make it happen. Got our handy dandy lightsaber. Even though it got dark on us, be good to go. Alright, so let me take it down up under here. Alright. So pretty much right here. Let's see. Pretty much right here is where we're working at. Looks to be about an 8 or a 10. Might be a little bit larger. Yeah, maybe like a 12. Let me get another side. Shit. This is a 12. It looks like it might be some oddball ass 11. Or metric. I mean, a standard. Let me see if I can get 11. Be right back. Alright, so 11 looks to be the winner. So put a little extension on there. Get that off of there. I've never replaced this before, but I mean, it should be pretty cut and dry. Alright, so we got the screw and the hold down out. And we just gotta see how we're gonna pry that out of there. Maybe good to use like a screwdriver or some vice grips, because that's a kind of tight space up in there. Let me figure that out and I'll cut you back on. I'll let you know what we used. Here we got the old one. As you can see, that seal is flush mount pretty much. I'm pretty sure that's where that leaking was coming from. I believe it's also something inside of there that's supposed to keep it from leaking. This was a gear that was inside of it, so we're just gonna put the red gear that it came with, the new one in there, and go from there. Alright, so here we got the new one. You can see here. Let's see, put them side to side. Pretty much just to make sure that they are the same. And they are. Just that O-ring is different, and whatever seal it is that's on the inside looks to be different as well. So we'll get that done up. And we got the old red gear, and then we got the new one here. So just replacing it with the what was in there, so we'll be good to go. This pretty much slides in there like that. And then you take this and slide it inside. Simple enough. Easy installation. It slid right up in there. And so the new one is installed and the old one is out. And we shouldn't have any more leaks. Should be good to go. We get the hold down installed and wrap this on up. Let's see which one of these bolts is going to thread in the right way. So it might not be that one. It might be this one here. Winner chicken dinner. So this is just gonna slide in a groove like that. And then the screw comes like that. spot in the garage and see if it's gonna leak again. We shouldn't have any issues, so only time will tell. But until next time, it's your boy Alicia Rock 254. Get the C10 ready. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity of procrastination.